Hello doers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will be watching how to raise validation error in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the validation error in Odoo. So in simple terms, it's way to show an error message to the user when certain condition in your Python code is not met. So this stops the user from saving or confirming something that shouldn't be allowed. So for example, if someone tries to create leave request for the past dates, then we can raise a validation error to stop them. So we use validation error in API constants method, create or write method, or into the custom method. So let's understand it by the example. So before using, we need to import the validation error from the odoo.exceptions module and also need to import underscore from the odoo in our Python file. And why we use underscore function? So using underscore ensure that the message is translatable, which is the very important in Odoo for supporting multi-language environments. So let's see by the example. So here you can see the mole menu of the mole.mol object, and here I create the new record. Suppose I give name ABC mole, then place add Ahmedabad, rate give 8, and I don't select the opening date. So now when I click on the open button, then this record moved into the open state. So now we want that if user moves the record into the open state, then he shows the validation message like you need to select the opening date before the proceeding. So let's add validation error into the button. So this is the mol.mol object PY file. Now here you can see open button method action underscore open. First we need to import validation error from odoo.exception and also need to import underscore. I already told why we use underscore. So here I set condition if mol.date is not selected, then it raises the validation error like please select the opening date before proceeding. So now restart the server and upgrade your module and refresh this page. So now again I create new record XYZ mole, then place add Ahmedabad, rate give 8 and don't select the opening date. So now when I click on the open button, then it shows the validation message. Here you can see the validation message, please select the opening date before the proceeding. So basically the validation error is raised that time Odoo shows a pop-up message with the error context. This makes it user friendly and clearly shows what went wrong. So this is how you can raise the validation error in Odoo.